Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send audio message on Facebook dating. First of all, open the Facebook application on your mobile and then open your Facebook dating profile. If you are not signed in, log in using your Facebook credentials. Once you are in, go to the matches section. This is where you will see all the people you have matched with. Tap on the match you want to send an audio message to. This will open the chat screen where you can see your conversation history. Now look for the small microphone icon next to the text box. Tap and hold this icon to record your audio message. Speak clearly into your phone. You can talk about something you have already discussed or anything you want. When you are done, simply lift your finger. You will see an option to preview your message. If you are happy with it, press the send button. If not, you can delete it and try again. And that's pretty much it. And that's how to send audio message on Facebook dating. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.